Welcome to another Qpython 3 tutorial. Now in this video guys, I'm going to be talking to you guys about SL4A, that's a scripting layer for Android. Now the SL4A is basically a script in Python, or a service in Python, that allows you to connect to Google API services and lots of features that allow you to control your Android device. So basically the SL4A has been in use for a couple of years now, and from here on out Python doesn't support the SL4A anymore. Well, actually they still do, but they've actually changed the name from SL4A to a different name. Now when I try to import the SL4A module, look at what it gives me. It says that, it says no module named SL4A. That is because they've changed the name from SL4A to Android Helper. So basically Android Helper is a new name for SL4A. And of course, all the modules supported in SL4A will now pass to Android Helper, and they've made some really good improvements with the Android Helper module. Now the Android Helper module also allows you to control your Android device and connect to Google API services. So I'm just going to be doing a nice smooth tutorial for you guys to understand what it's talking about. Now on this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make toast on your Android devices. That is the toast I'm talking about. The toast I'm talking about is something like let's see, you can see this thing that says file saved here. I'm going to be showing you guys how to create this little notification on your screen, this pop-up notification that says whatever you want it to say. And I'm going to be using the Android Helper module. So since we've imported the Android Helper module, all we need to do now is use the method. So let's create a simple variable. Droid equals to Android Helper dot Android, and that's in parentheses and close it up. Now this variable here, this name here, is what we're going to be using to access this class and method. So let's move on to the next line and let me show you guys how it's done. So for you to make toast on your Android device, all you need to do is just use the droid.makeToast. It's as easy as that. Now the toast method takes only one argument, so I'm just going to be passing an argument and say congratulations Desmond, you have won $1 million. Let's just go with $10 million because I'm so rich. $10 million. Yeah, and let's add the dollar sign to it. Yeah, $10 million. So this is it. Import the Android Helper module, use the method, use the droid.makeToast. Let's save our code and let's run to see how it goes. It says, congratulations Desmond, you have won $10 million. I don't know if you guys saw that before, but I think I should copy this code and paste it so it just comes on twice. Okay, so I'm just going to copy, I'm going to paste. Yeah, let's save our code and let's run. So when it runs the first time, it runs the second time. You can see right here it says congratulations Desmond, you have won $10 million, and it's going to show up again saying congratulations Desmond, you have won $10 million. It shows twice, but they all went on the same time, so basically you can see that. So that's all for this tutorial guys. Make sure you leave a like on this video if you like it. Leave some comments under the description underneath, and also do not forget to ask me any questions if you feel the need to, and just keep your comments coming and keep me updated on what topic you want me to cover on Android Helper, the module Android Helper. And please guys, do not forget, comment on this video so your name might be in my next video. Thank you for watching guys. I'll see you guys next time.